Hello everyone. I am Trupti Jadhav. I am student of Devgiri Institute of Engineering and Management Studies. Today we are going to see basic concept in C programming language, that is algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart. So we start our today's topic is. So friends, basically what is the algorithm? An algorithm is a typical programming task divided into finite set of steps of particular problem. An algorithm can be expressed in the English-like language called pseudocode or in the form of flowchart. A typical programming task can be divided into two phases. First phase is problem solving phase and second phase is implementation phase. In problem solving phase, produce an ordered sequence of steps that describe solution of problem, or this sequence of steps is called an algorithm. Second phase is implementation phase. In implementation phase, we implement the program in some programming language. Steps in problem solving. First, produce a general algorithm. One can use pseudocode. Refine the algorithm successively to get step-by-step detailed algorithm that is very close to a computer language. Pseudocode is an artificial and informal language that helps programmers develop algorithm. Pseudocode is very similar to everyday English. So, basically we see informal definition of algorithm. Input the list or sequence of some instruction. Then step-by-step method for solving a problem or doing a task. Then we find output list as shown in figure. Then we see example of algorithm which followed some set of instructions. See, write an algorithm that finds the average of two numbers. Solution: take average of two number. Input two numbers. First step is add the two numbers. Second step is divide the result by 2. Third step is return the result by step 2. End. Pseudocode and algorithm means detailed algorithm is shown as shown in picture. Step 1. Input M1, M2, M3, M4. We input the 4 grade of student. Step 2. Grade M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M1 divided by 4. We calculate the average of grades. In step 3, we apply condition for checking the grade or result of student is fail or pass. Step 3 is if grade is less than 50, then print fail, else print pass, and if. So we move over towards next topic is flowchart. So basically what is flowchart? Flowchart is a schematic representation of a sequence of operations as in manufacturing process or computer program, which shows logic of an algorithm. Also emphasize the individual steps and their interconnection. Example: control flow from one action to the next. So in flowchart, we use different symbol for representing flowchart. First symbol is oval, which denotes the beginning or end of the program. Second symbol is flow line, which denotes the direction of logic flow in a program. Third symbol, parallelogram, which denotes an input operation or output operation like printf, input, output, etc. In fourth symbol, rectangle, which denotes a process can be carried out. Example: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and so on. In fifth symbol, diamond, it denotes a decision making which made by the program should continue along one or two nodes. Example: if, then, else. In short, we use condition in diamond symbol. Let us see example of an flowchart. Example is calculate area of a rectangle, in which we see some steps. Step 1, start. Step 2, input width and length. Step 3, area is equal to length into width. Step 4, print a. Step 5, end. So representation of an flowchart is shown as in figure. Thank you.